Hey Cash Creators, where we explore innovative ways to make money online. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely grab your attention. Have you ever wondered how you can use artificial intelligence to make $1,000 in just 24 hours? Well, you're in luck because we're about to reveal the secrets right here, right now. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future money-making tips. Let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about the power of artificial intelligence. AI has revolutionized numerous industries, and making money is no exception. With AI, you can leverage cutting-edge technology to increase your chances of making a quick profit. One effective way to use AI for making money fast is by utilizing an AI-powered trading platform. These platforms analyze vast amounts of data, market trends, and patterns to predict profitable trading opportunities. By leveraging AI algorithms, you can make smarter investment decisions and potentially earn significant profits within a short period. Imagine being able to take advantage of market fluctuations and capitalize on the right opportunities with just a few clicks. That's the power of AI-driven trading platforms. Now let's move on to the practical steps you can take to make $1,000 in 24 hours using AI. Step 1. Choose a reputable AI-powered trading platform. Do thorough research, read reviews, and select a platform that aligns with your goals and trading style. Step 2. Sign up and create an account. Most platforms offer a simple registration process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Step 3. Deposit an initial investment. Start with a reasonable amount that you're comfortable with and willing to risk. Step 4. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools. Take advantage of demo accounts and educational resources to gain confidence and enhance your trading skills. Step 5. Analyze market trends and indicators. Use the platform's AI capabilities to identify potential profitable trades. Step 6. Execute your trades strategically. Follow the signals generated by the AI algorithms and set your desired parameters for buying and selling. Step 7. Monitor your trades closely. Stay updated with market conditions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, while AI-powered trading platforms can enhance your chances of success, it's important to approach trading responsibly and be aware of the risks involved. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. With dedication, proper risk management, and leveraging the power of AI, you can potentially make $1,000 or more within 24 hours. That wraps up our guide on how to use AI to make $1,000 in 24 hours. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. As always, do your own research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about money-making strategies, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy earning with AI.